welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to view your transaction or purchase history on Roblox using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using your Android device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So in order to do this, you need to use the Roblox.com on any browser that you have because it is not possible to do this on the Roblox application on mobile device. So now, just go ahead and search for Roblox.com and log in your account. And after that, just go ahead and click on the Robux icon at the upper right corner of your screen beside the settings icon. Now just go ahead and click on it. And here, as you can see, the My Transactions section. Okay, so here, the summary of it, date range. So if you have any transaction on Roblox, you should see it right here. But here on my account, I don't have any transactions, so you can't see anything on my transactions. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.